Hello, this is Aaron with AnetComputers.com with another video for you today. Computers and technology. Bueno, este es Ron con AnetComputers.com. Otro video para ti hoy. LibreOffice 5 released for Windows 10. The Document Foundation has released LibreOffice 5 just in time for Windows 10 compatibility. LibreOffice is a free open source office suite of software that runs on Macintosh operating system 10, Linux, and Microsoft Windows operating systems. LibreOffice has been used by over 80 million users. LibreOffice 5 boasts better functionality with office suites like Microsoft Office and Apple's iWork. This software has 64-bit versions for Microsoft Windows Vista 7, 8, and 10. LibreOffice includes Calc, Draw, Impress, and Writer. Calc is a spreadsheet program. Draw is a program to create technical drawings. Impress allows you to make presentations. Writer is a word processor application. Base is a database front end. Math is a mathematics editor. Charts is a chart making application. Also, LibreOffice has a version that will run on Android operating system. You can download customized extensions and templates for use with this free open source Office suite. This software suite has built-in compatibility with many Microsoft Office documents used in Office, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, and Visio. The full version of LibreOffice 5 is completely free to use and download. For business use, commercial support is available from third-party partners. LibreOffice 5.0.0 is now available for following operating systems and architectures: Linux x64 Debian package, Linux x64 RPM package, Linux x86 Debian package, Linux x86 RPM package. Those are Linux packages. Mac operating system 10, x86 64-bit 10.8 or newer. Microsoft Windows 32-bit, Microsoft Windows x86 64-bit for Vista 7, 8, and 10. System requirements for Microsoft Windows operating systems are Microsoft Windows XP Service Pack 2, Vista 7 or 8, Pentium 3, Athlon or more recent system, 256 megabyte of RAM minimum, up to 1.5 gigabyte of disk space, 1024 by 768 display resolution with at least 256 colors, Java, highly recommended. System requirements for Apple Macintosh operating system 10 are Mac OS 10.8 Mountain Lion or newer, Intel microprocessor, 512 megabytes of RAM, 800 megabytes disk space, 1024 by 768 graphics device with 256 colors. Java, again, is highly recommended. System requirements for new Linux kernel version 2.6.18 or newer, glibc 2 version 2.5 or newer, GTK version 2.10.4 or newer, Pentium 3 Athlon or newer system, 256 megabytes of RAM, 1.55 gigabyte of disk space, X server with 1024 by 768 display resolution with 256 colors, GNOME 2.16 or newer with Gale 1.8.6 and AT-SPI 1.7 packages or other compatible graphical user interface such as KDE, XFCE, etc. It comes preloaded with a lot of distributions. Ubuntu, Fedora, perhaps Mint will have LibreOffice. Maybe not version 5, but they'll have a version of LibreOffice already bundled for you, perhaps. Let's check out their download link really quick. It has this main installer. Now, I'm running a version of Linux. That's why it recommends, that's why right here it says download version, and it's for Linux x64. Now, if you are on a Microsoft Windows system, it will automatically detect and it will recommend what version to download. Same thing with Mac. But there are source code you can download, SDK, and then with source code versions. And then down further, there's LibreOffice 5 available. And then this is kind of redundant, but it shows you the different Linux versions, Mac, and Windows. And then you can even download older versions of LibreOffice 4.3.7, 4.4.5, and 5. And then over on the right hand side, there's system requirements. You click on that and it shows you more information as well as some other links. Hopefully this information was productive and you can install LibreOffice completely free, version 5 now, and it is compatible with Windows 10. So if you're running Windows 10, you should be able to download LibreOffice 5 as long as you follow those system requirements that I stipulated for you. You shouldn't have too many problems. And then also recommended that you download and install Java as well. You can always browse to anetcomputers.com for other possible potential tips, information, and tricks to help you solve your most common computer problems. Thank you for listening. Adios.